Good morning, everybody. This is Lorenzo Polegri, the farmer chef of CIBORTV, the true Italian cuisine, in company with Emanuela, Casey, and Sergio. So, Emanuela, how are you this morning?
Well, but please, Lorenzo, teach me how to make bread.
You're right. Oh. My fault. Okay, next time we start properly. Super.
Thank you.
Today we're making this beautiful bread. This is a simple dough with flour, water, yeast, salt, and extra virgin olive oil. We're making this beautiful dough for porchetta bread. We can also use for focaccia. Manuela, where are you? Some oil. Hey, good morning.
Good morning.
Making bread. For the porchetta. Later on, we're making porchetta.
Wow.
Yes. And Casey. You know Casey? Ever heard about Casey?
No, I don't know.
Casey used to be many years ago a student of mine, now as a professional crazy chef in New Jersey. Yeah, and he's coming with his nephew, Sergio. So, si gira questo fantastico e poi lo lasciamo riposare così e poi cresce piano piano. Now, I roll this when I cut the rolls and you take care of the cooking in the oven. Di polverone. Emanuela, come here. Come on.
I'm here.
Okay, bread is ready.
Yes?
30 minutes proofing in the oven. It's hot already, and I come back in 30 minutes. I promise.
No,
Okay.
are you
No,
sure?
it doesn't matter. They are waiting for me.
No, but I don't know if...
It's ready. You, okay? Ciao.
No.
Love you. Ciao,
No.
bye-bye. Ciao.
No.
See you later. Arrivederci. Casey. Oh, hello.
Lorenzo, hi, we just arrived at La Nostra Terra. We'll wait here for coffee and some pizza.
Where are you? Oh, I'll be there in a second. Okay. I grab the car. Okay.
I'll see you soon.
See you there. Ciao.
Bye, ciao. He said he'll be here in 5 minutes.
Mamma mia, it's late. Ciao, Manu.
Due caffè e un pizza, no? Pizza for breakfast, can you believe it?
I just see Domino's pizza. All right, we're almost there. In Baschi, a little village in the middle of nowhere. In Umbria, the real land of porchetta, carbonara, and beautiful food. Siamo a Baschi, we're filming for CIBORTV for our crazy episodes of the real authentic Italian cuisine, the true recipes of Italians, not American Italian, French Italian.
Oh, you take both?
Adesso andiamo a prendere Casey e anche Sergio. If they're not here, I'm gonna kick their asses. Casey! Dove sei? I'm lost. Where is the exit of the highway? We have no highway in Basque. There's nothing. Siamo arrivati. We're here. Attention. Casey, where the hell is Casey? Che hai visto un americano grosso, abbastanza robusto? Casey! What the hell are you doing?
Oh my God.
How you doing?
Oh my God,
How's New
12
Jersey
years.
doing?
New Jersey's
Still
fantastic.
beautiful, handsome
12
man.
years.
Who's this
This
dude?
is my nephew, Sergio.
Ciao,
Nice
dude.
to meet you. My
How
nephew.
you doing?
Where
I
have
was
you been?
making bread up to the farm. Manuela's waiting for us.
Who's Manuela?
Manuela? She's a friend of mine. She's an actress.
Oh my,
Really?
from CIBORTV.
Yeah, CIBORTV. This
I
same
know.
company here.
Oh my God, let's go. Show
No,
us, show us.
vai, via. Su, via. Into the car, that car.
The Fiat.
Yeah, of course.
Come on.
We don't fit it.
We gotta go.
don't fit it.
Okay, let's go. It starts. Let's go.
This is a CIBORTV mobile.
This thing works.
Can you believe this?
Oh my God.
I told you Lorenzo's crazy.
Guys, you're gonna shit your pants. You're gonna shit your pants.
Let's
Watch out.
go. Andiamo. I told you Lorenzo's crazy.
Manuela, dove sei?
No, this way. This guy's crazy.
Okay, go.
Come on.
Bye, Sergio. Let's go to the bread. Manuela, where's the bread?
Who's this lady?
She's inside.
Oh my God.
Come on.
Look, the
Siamo
smoke.
arrivati, we're here. No, sorry.
Ma non so cosa devo fare col pane, mi ha bruciato.
It's okay.
Dai, però.
So the bread is ready. Oh, it's good. Perfecto. It's good. We saved that. Sorry.
Perfect.
Ciao.
Ciao.
I know. I'm sorry.
Mi
It's my
puoi
fault.
lasciare da sola
I
col
went to
pane?
pick them up.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to
I'm
meet you.
Casey.
I'm
Culinary.
Emanuela, sorry, but ciao, come stai?
This is Sergio, my
Sergio.
nephew.
Oh, yes.
Try the bread.
Ma sei pazzo a
It's good,
lasciarmi
huh?
col pane così?
Hi, we're here with True Italian Cuisine, part of CIBORTV. And I have a question for you, Lorenzo. What is porchetta? And where does it come from?
Who knows?
Lo voglio sapere anch'io.
Vuoi sapere, è un segreto,
Certo.
Porchetta is an incredible recipe which was born here in Umbria, and the recipe is really simple. So you have pork, you have salt, black pepper, wild fennel, garlic, and that's it.
Che c'è nella porchetta?
Che c'è?
Ci metti il finocchio, che c'è?
Ginocchio, aglio, pepe.
E basta così? Sì. È semplice, simple.
Wild fennel is the key, and you roast it for a long time, especially if you have the whole pig, which is deboned. It's really about 80, can be 80, 90, 100 pounds.
Wow.
Yeah, 6 hours, 8 hours.
E quanto tempo si cuoce quella?
6, 7, 8 ore di
8 ore. Wow. It takes one day.
We are in Baschi. Baschi is a legendary town for the porchetta, and there were many people making porchetta, really artisans and artists. And now we're going
And some
to...
might say it's the origin
Right,
of
yeah.
porchetta.
It's possible. So we're gonna meet the mayor. I already called the mayor. He's gonna open the historical archives of the town.
Wow.
And possibly, I don't know, we're gonna find the original recipe and the author of the recipe.
What we're gonna be able to do is recreate
Yes.
this porchetta.
For real.
And we're gonna make it, and you said we're gonna cook it in a traditional
Yeah.
coal oven, the whole
yeah,
deal.
Yeah, so we have pork, wild fennel, which is important, a brick oven, boom, and that's it. And
Perfect.
time. Ok.
I'm ready.
Let's go for the mayor.
I'm
Sei
hungry.
pronto? Andiamo dal
I'm
sindaco.
hungry.
Il sindaco è un bell'uomo con la barba, tutto la fascia, spettacolare.
Wow.
Ciao CIBORTV.
Ciao, CIBORTV.
That's just the way you make me feel. That's just the way you make me feel. So good, so good, so good, so real. That's just the way you make me feel. That's just the way you make me feel.
Hey mayor, ciao, we're coming. Andiamo. Let's go.
Hello.
Alfredo! Madonna, come stai? How you doing?
Very fine. What are you doing here?
This is Casey from New Jersey.
Nice to meet you.
How are you?
How are you?
Nice to meet you. Alfredo is an engineer.
Oh my God.
What are you doing here?
I just bought my new house.
In Basque.
And these are the documents to make it totally new.
Oh my God. Are you coming later? We're cooking porchetta later.
I will eat porchetta.
Up to the farm.
We're going to meet the mayor. We have a meeting with
Yeah.
the mayor. He's got the plans for the origin of Baschi.
Right.
He has the family.
This is
This
amazing.
is gonna be amazing.
Okay, I will be there.
So you eat meat, right? Still eat meat. Ci vediamo dopo.
Okay.
Ciao. Ciao. Il sindaco, where's the mayor? Where is the mayor? Oh! Eccoci qua. Casey,
Piacere.
Sergio e Emanuela.
Benvenuti a Baschi.
Grazie. Noi stiamo facendo questa ricerca sulla porchetta di Baschi, che probabilmente è la migliore dell'Umbria, se non del centro Italia.
Non solo la migliore, ma anche la più antica. Molte famiglie del comune di Baschi hanno iniziato a intraprendere questa attività e ne hanno fatto il loro sostentamento, esportando questo preparato in tutto il centro Italia e facendolo conoscere ed apprezzare a moltissime persone.
Che notizie abbiamo a livello storico? Che origine ha
questa meravigliosa ricetta.
Le testimonianze di questo sono presenti anche all'interno dei nostri archivi, sono registri antichissimi che vanno dal 1800 e percorrono tutto il 1900 e non a caso ho chiesto a Giovanni di portarci i registri che mi avevi richiesto.
Ok, it's time to go. Andiamo,
Bene.
vai, vai.
Grazie Giovanni.
Buongiorno Giovanni.
Allora Lorenzo,
Tanta roba.
iniziamo la nostra ricerca. Guarda Lorenzo, eccolo, questo deve essere il protocollo del faldone dove è contenuta la ricetta. Proviamo ad andare a vedere
Ma questa è la ricetta di Marino, come si chiamava?
Sembra calabresi.
Marino Calabresi, ci stanno
Però
ancora,
andiamo a vedere nel faldone.
Quello lì nel
Andiamo a
soffittone,
vedere,
nella
sì,
soffitta.
Sì, dobbiamo
Nella
fare...
soffitta. We go to the attic, under the roof. Andiamo.
Andiamo. Allora, ecco, questo è il nostro archivio.
Sì.
Cartella 33. 33.
33. Eccola.
Vai, aiutami Lorenzo.
I hear someone calling the mayor.
The mayor is busy. Oh. Sindaco dice... qua, aspetta,
Sorry.
ok. I'm too fat.
So, what do we have here? I can translate here.
Oh, you're right.
This
Finocchio,
is the family.
okay, the family
Feno-
Calabresi.
And
Finocchio,
this is the-
Porchetta.
and
This is 1825. I think it's good. You know what, Dad? They put another piece of paper here. Yeah, like that.
Let's
Let's go. Mamma mia. Allora, Sindaco, grazie di tutto.
Ciao, ciao.
Facciamo una porchetta. Ci vediamo, eh? Ciao,
È stato un piacere.
Bye,
Ciao,
bye,
ciao.
bye, bye.
Ciao.
Lorenzo, we were with the mayor. We were in the archives. I got something.
Ok.
Now I think it's possibly an old recipe,
Yeah.
but I'm not so good with the translation. Maybe you can help me out here. What it says?
Un maiale.
Pork,
Maiale, fegato,
pork liver, garlic,
aglio, garlic. Bene. Pepe nero.
black pepper, red pepper flake,
Yes. Sale fino. And the most important ingredient, the key of success, wild fennel.
Now this is the one we picked on we were in the garden, but you can find on the side of the road.
Yes, this is the whole, and this is the one we minced already. There's no assembling recipe because it's easy.
It's down to the chef.
So we remove this here. We already cleaned the skin completely and we burn with a little torch because we know the little hair. Now we flip it.
So this is the pork belly, right, Lorenzo?
This is a
we're
pork
using?
belly, so it's a small version of the whole,
Yeah.
or the big one.
And we use the pork belly because it's a fattier cut, of course, one of the fattiest. But
Yeah.
we're gonna lean it out with a little bit of,
This is a piece of shoulder. It's the lean part.
so we can stuff it inside.
Yeah.
With the liver. Okay.
Now we need to also first of all stab it a little bit. I know it looks aggressive, but we need to do it so in this way when we cook the pork, the porchetta, most of the fat, some of the fat can drip from the holes.
Will this also help with, sometimes you see like it looks like a balloon.
Yeah,
and they explode.
yeah,
and
that's too
it's
swollen, yeah.
Not the proper way.
Another possibility is scoring this way. It's the same. It depends on the tradition, etc. Possibility is score. Garlic. Spread the garlic all over. Bellissimo. Then part of the fennel in the center. Okay. We spread the meat. Okay, now you go salt, pepper, and hot pepper. Abundantly. You can rotate
Lots of
it
salt. You need it
like this. Bellissimo.
in black pepper,
Okay.
pepinera.
Pepe nero, a little spice, beautiful. And now liver. If you don't like liver, don't do it. You skip it. But liver gives a nice flavor, really precious to this crazy meat. More wild fennel or lover. Dun, 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 dun,
So this
dun.
really is a rustic dish that anyone can make at home. It's not, you don't need to follow an exact
Yeah,
recipe.
yeah.
It's
That's
down
why-
to the size of piece. That's why every kind of house had
Yeah.
its own unique recipe.
Absolutely.
And that's what makes it unique. I think you travel different parts of Umbria,
Uh-huh.
and you can have in one region slight different variation Up
Yes,
to the classic.
South Umbria has this, wild fennel presence. It's really important. And black pepper.
Okay,
I love black pepper.
You tell me.
Mamma mia. Now, attenzione. We're gonna roll it.
Okay.
So if you roll this side, and then we need to reach that point. Kind of tight, like a monstrosity.
Like we're rolling a...
This is really street food. Like people eat hot dogs in the States.
Yeah, you see
Yeah.
the vendors on the side of the road. It is quite amazing.
In Italy, you have porchetta as a side, on the side of the road.
Now, I know this is nice thick twine we like to use, right?
Yeah.
So we'll cut some to length.
Yep. So we'll start tidying here. Okay, I think
Okay, we move it.
We move it. It's called improvisation. It's called real TV. Okay, and
I got you.
we do a little massaggio with good extra virgin olive oil.
This is your olive oil.
Yeah, of course.
From right
Tre
outside.
cipressi.
Right outside. So oil, and we're gonna massage with the oil.
Yeah.
And then you
for the
put salt
skin.
on the outside as well, correct?
Yes. Let's get it. And pepper too. Come on, you do it.
Okay, you got it.
I do the massage, you do the frou-frou. Now, wait 6 hours today, and then we're going to the countryside and next door, some neighbors, using an old brick oven, handmade by the Etruscans.
Beautiful. So you were saying that, some Americans, the way they, eat it hot, right? But
Yeah.
traditionally, focaccia or
We
bread,
make
right?
panini, yeah,
Panini,
sandwiches.
bread with bread.
Absolutely, yeah. And we buy at the, on the
I
festivals.
heard someone say bread.
Oh!
Hey, take it easy.
Dopo tutta la fatica e tutta la mattina fare questo pane, adesso?
Cosciamo la porchetta e ci facciamo i panini. Dai!
Ah, allora va bene.
Attenzione, Sergio, porchetta!
He finally made it.
So, what do you think? Che bestia.
It looks great.
Would you take this, school for snack in the morning? Just the whole monster.
Just a little snack, maybe.
Okay, for the class.
Yeah.
Wow, Lorenzo, what a wonderful place, but where are we?
Oh, we are in Canonica at the Ristorante Trattoria Peppe, the oldest restaurant in Orvieto area from the 30s, with
Yes.
only leftover porchetta oven. Because the la bocca, so the mouth, the opening is wide, large, big.
Emilio!
Ciao Emilio, arriviamo con Emanuela, Sergio e Casey.
Wow!
For you?
Insomma, ti piace sta porchetta?
Bellissima, bellissima. La mettiamo su, Lorenzo?
Vai, infila su.
Bene.
Che fuoco!
Ok.
Vale. Allora Emilio, quanto tempo ci vuole a cuocere la porchetta nel forno e che tipo di legna abbiamo usato?
Allora, oggi abbiamo usato il legno di quercia ed ha bisogno di 4 ore la porchetta per cuocere.
Ehi ragazzi, venite, che è pronta la porchetta!
We gotta go! Porchetta is ready. Ok, go. Attenzione, Let's check it out,
Wow.
Oh, bellissimo!
Guarda che forno,
Manuela, guarda che porchetta! Look at the porchetta! It's unbelievable! Must be crunchy.
Extra crunch.
Bye, Casey!
But chef, is this baked?
Yeah, it's ready. Listen. What time is it?
Time to eat.
Mangia. Time to mangia.
Time to
Are you
mangiare.
hungry? Are you hungry?
Time to eat, baby.
Okay, let's do it. I'm so excited.
I can smell the
I
fennel.
can cry. Look at this.
Ay, my God. Beautiful.
Oh, unbelievable. Look at this. Sale, little salt. Now we play like
Look the bread you made.
people in the countryside. You want to do it?
Yes.
Bye.
Emanuela, can you cut another one, please, for Sergio? He needs to try this porchetta.
Now, come on.
Now, Sergio, don't
Bye,
be afraid. Don't be afraid. Lorenzo's big, but the pork is stronger.
So you do 400 pounds bench press after this.
Now, when you eat the porchetta, you have to try it. Make sure you taste all the flavors. You're gonna taste the wild fennel
Yes.
and the crunchy pork. It makes all the difference.
And if you like, you have to scream. Like this. Bye, 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 bye. Porchetta. Yes.
Oh.
This is really good.
But yeah, this is something you can recreate, and I really hope everyone goes home.
But
Yeah.
for me, porchetta, no?
Of course we have porchetta.
So how's the new house?
How's the new house? The building is going good.
Hey, see, listen to this. This is the sound of happiness. Listen.
There's juice.
Oh! Bam! Oh my God! How is it?
Oh my God.
This is only. Oh my God! CIBORTV, true Italian cuisine.
Hello! Wow! 3, 2, 1, boom! Thank you for your hospitality.
It's CIBORTV!
Like an ogre. Sembri l'orco.
Yeah.
Good morning, everybody. Here I. Aspetta. 1, 2, 3.
Lorenzo, please.
È il pepe.
No, sì, Pepe, scusa.
Abbiamo anche la terza.
What do you think, Emanuela? I think it's beautiful. It's beautiful. I put the pepper.
Io parlo così.
Good morning, everybody from CIBORTV. My name is Lorenzo Polegri, the farmer chef of Farm of Sto-
So Lorenzo, this is my nephew, Sergio.
No.
This is my. No. You need to stop. You ready?
No, yeah.
You didn't want to talk.
Yeah.
So Lorenzo, listen.
Stai filmando?
Yeah.
On CIBORTV, Italian, true fa. Ok, ma sta filmato? Sì. Aspetta.
Lorenzo, look.
Aspetta, ricominciamola che ci siamo persi un pezzo. True Italian recipes. Sto c***o.
Ho detto recipes?
Cosa ha detto?
And the
I
festivals
said
in
someone say bread.
Close again.
Uh-uh.
I heard.
Cosa ha detto?
I say someone say bread. It's okay.
Ma no.
I heard. I heard.
Bellissimo, no?